Start with Wahl Elite Pro if you want the safest corded choice for regular home haircuts. Pick Wahl Color Pro Plus when budget and easy guard matching matter. Choose BaByliss Pro Silver FX Plus if you'll pay more for cordless control. Go Remington Virtually Indestructible when self-cuts and easy handling come first. No clipper fits every head. Choose by power, cord, guards, and control. For most homes, it's the Wahl Elite Pro High Performance Hair Clipper Kit. Buy it if you cut hair regularly and want the least fussy corded setup. The motor feels built for real haircuts, the body has a solid grip, and the guide combs lock in with more confidence than typical starter kits. That's the win. The catch is comfort, it's heavier, not especially quiet, and some extras are just nice to have clutter. Skip it if you want cordless freedom, close detail work, or the lightest tool possible. If you want the easier, cheaper home kit, go Wahl Color Pro Plus Haircutting Kit. It's for casual cuts, family touch-ups, and anyone who hates squinting at tiny guard numbers. The color system makes the routine simpler, so you grab the length faster and make fewer setup mistakes. The trade-off is durability feel. The guards are all plastic, the cord is more basic, and the case is more space-saver than Forever Box. Skip it if attachments get abused in your house. For the upgrade slot, I'd pick the BaByliss Pro Silver FX Plus All-Metal Lithium Clipper. It's the move if you cut hair often, hate working around a cord, or want more control on fades, neck cleanup, and shorter styles. The metal body and on-tool length adjustment make it feel more precise than a basic family kit. But you're paying for the clipper, not the guard set. The combs are only fine, they can be tight to remove, and the warranty is shorter than the corded Wahl kits. Skip it if longer all-over cuts are your main job. For self-cuts, the Remington Virtually Indestructible Haircut and Beard Trimmer makes the most sense. It's smaller, lighter, and quieter, which matters when you're reaching behind your head or trying not to spook a kid during a trim. The benefit is control, not a barbershop finish. There isn't a taper lever, so blending is more limited. The closest guard may still leave more length than some people want, and the teeth can feel sharp if you press at a bad angle. Skip it if fades are the whole point. Quick split. Regular home haircuts, Wahl Elite Pro. Lower spend and easier guard matching, Wahl Color Pro Plus. Cordless control and shorter detail work, BaByliss Pro Silver FX Plus. Awkward self-cuts or calmer kids trims, Remington Virtually Indestructible. Before you buy, decide where you'll cut, how often you'll swap guards, and whether a cord will annoy you. Heavier clippers can feel steadier, but they also tire your hand. And if you're new, simple guards beat fancy features. If you're unsure, start with Wahl Elite Pro, it's the safe home default. Go Color Pro Plus if price and guard matching matter more. Choose BaByliss Pro Silver FX Plus if cordless control is the priority, or Remington if self-cuts are the problem. Links are in the description. Shelf care. The edit your shelf actually needs. Subscribe for the next routine.